What is up, growth-driven agency owners? Roberto Burke here to help you upgrade your agency's approach to tracking digital performance. Are you measuring what truly matters, or are you just drowning in data? Today, we are diving into 3 critical steps to ensure your clients' digital metrics are tracked accurately and aligned with their overall goals. Let's get into it. First thing first, what are the digital metrics that actually move the needle towards your client's signed off goal? Get that signed off goal, get it in writing, and make it tangible. It's easy to get caught up in vanity metrics like impressions or clicks, but the real focus should be on trackable, performance-driven KPIs. Whether it's cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, how many qualified leads, identifying the right KPIs ensures every action is contributing to the end goal. Work backward from the goal and pinpoint the specific metrics that need to be hit to achieve success, and know that information from day one. If your tracking isn't rock solid, your reporting is just guesswork. Having one central source of truth eliminates confusion and ensures data integrity. When everyone is on the same page, it's easier to build trust and confidence in the results. Tracking is not just about numbers. It's about how those numbers stack up against the goal. Regular updates on pacing help you course correct before it's too late. With the right tracking strategy in place, surprises are replaced with actionable insights and predictable outcomes. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Conduit Currents. Are you ready to upgrade your agency operations and scale smarter? Schedule a discovery call with one of our 2 Tim Burks today.